Hello, Humble Hearts Academy, and welcome back. Today we're learning more about push and pull. Come on, let's go. I am so excited to see you today. We are going to be learning about pushing and pulling. We already learned about all the different things that we see around us that we can push and pull. But today we're going to run an experiment. But before we start, let's start with circle time. For circle time today, we are going to be learning our ABCs. And this week, the letter of the week is the letter P. Can we think of some things that start with the letter P? P? Oh, I know. I'm thinking of an animal that's big and pink. And it makes a sound like it's a pig. Very good. Pig starts with the letter P. The second thing I'm thinking of is a color. We just used it to describe a pig. There are also other things that have this color, like flowers and roses, maybe even some clothing. It's pink. Pink. Pink starts with the letter P. Very good. Now the third word that I'm thinking of, we use to go to sleep. Many of us use this to put our head on it when it's time for bedtime. It's nice, it's soft, it can be fluffy, it can be a little hard. Pillow, pillow. And the last thing I'm thinking of is a three-letter word that we use to describe things like dogs, cats, birds, even snails or hamsters. It starts with the letter P. It is a pet. Pet starts with the letter P. Very good. Wonderful. Now it's time to sing our ABC song. Roll the music. Feel free to dance along with us, sing with us, or just get a little silly. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Bravo! Very good with your ABCs. Now it's time to count our 1, 2, 3s. And can you remember what number we were counting until? Number 20, número 20. And we were saying it in English y en español. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're halfway there. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 y 10. Ya estamos a la mitad. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 y 20. Wonderful work with your 1, 2, 3s. We counted up to number 20, hasta el número 20. Contamos al 1 hasta el 20. Muy bien. Now it's time for our days of the week, los días de la semana. So let's take a close look at our calendar. First, we have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Now let's say them in Spanish. Domingo, lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes y sábado. Esos son los días de la semana. Those are the days of the week. Ahora es tiempo para cantar nuestros días de la semana. Let's do it. Let's sing our days of the week song. So, roll that music. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, 7 days a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, 7 days a week. In Spanish. Domingo, lunes, martes y miércoles, jueves, viernes y sábado. Domingo, lunes, martes y miércoles, jueves, viernes y sábado. Bravo! Wonderful job with your days of the week. Whew! I feel like we're learning so much today. Well, we still have our months of the year, and there's Ollie. So Ollie's going to come in, teach you about the months of the year, los meses del año, while I go set up for our push and pull activity. See you in a bit. Thank you so much for having me today. Today I want to say the months of the year, los meses del año. We're going to try it by singing it. Ready? January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. These are the 12 months of the year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. These are the 12 months of the year. Great work! Now let's try it in Spanish. Enero, febrero, marzo, abril, mayo, junio, julio, agosto, septiembre, octubre, noviembre, diciembre. Estos son los 12 meses. ¡Bravo! Muy bien, amigos y amigas. Oh, I think Teacher Ariel is ready for us in the classroom. Let's go say hello. Today's experiment, I'm just using 2 different balls. Now you can have a small ball or a big ball. I'm just using 2 that are different colors. We're going to learn how to push and pull slow and fast. So let's try it. So I'm going to push my ball forward. I push it forward and I pull it back to me. I push it forward and pull it back to me. By pushing them, we can control how fast they go. If we push hard, whoosh, our ball will go a lot faster. If we push soft, it goes very slow. A hard push, fast, and a soft push, slow. So a hard push is fast, and a soft push is slow. Very good. You can try playing with your toys by pushing them hard to see how fast they go and by pushing them soft to see how slow they go. And then you can pull them right back to you so that you can put them away. So my friends, we just push and pull our toys, our balls. I don't know where my red one went. It went too fast. Wow, we learned so much today. We learned our ABCs, the letter of the week, the letter P. We learned our 1, 2, 3s, nuestros números. We counted all the way to number 20 hasta el número 20. We learned about the days of the week, los días de la semana, the months of the year with Ollie, los meses del año con Ollie, and we also learned about pushing and pulling our toys. We push and pull balls so that they can go slow or fast. When we pushed hard, it went really fast. But when we pushed soft, it went really slow. And then at the end, we pulled our balls back to us so we can put them away. All right, my friends, so now that we're all done, it is time to do our goodbye breaths and goodbye adios song. We learned so much today, so it's very important that we relax our minds, bodies, and our hearts so that we can be ready for next time. So today for our goodbye breaths, we're going to do our deep breathing. So let's breathe in, get nice and relaxed. I'm sitting today, so I'll be sitting down, putting my hands on my chest and on my belly, and taking 3 deep breaths in. Breathe in and breathe out. And you can have your eyes closed for this. You can keep them open if you'd like, or closed. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. And if you have your hand on your belly right now, you can feel your belly go up and down as you breathe, right? So let's take a deep breath in to feel our belly go up. And a deep breath out to have our belly go down. Very good. Keep relaxed. We learned a lot today, so use this time to get nice and cozy. And take 1 deep breath in and a deep breath out. Very good. And now slowly bring your hands to your side. Open your eyes real wide. Ding. And let's sing our goodbye adios song. Goodbye adios. See you next time. See you next time. I will see you later. I will see you later. Goodbye. Adios. Goodbye. Adios. See you next time. See you next time. I will see you later. I will see you later. Goodbye. Adios. Good job, my friends. Thank you so much for learning and having fun with me today. I can't wait to see you next time. All right, parents and guardians, don't forget to check out our Facebook page at Humble Hearts Academy. All right, we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.